Here's how coconut oil kills 93% of colon cancer cells after 2 days of treatment. According to the latest laboratory research, medical experts have found that lauric acid eliminates more than 90% of colon cancer cells just after 2 days of treatment. Coconut oil is loaded with lauric acid, it's almost half of the content of coconut oil. The most interesting thing is that the lauric acid contaminates the cancer cells by releasing intense oxidative stress. So, with this process, the lauric acid reduces the levels of glutathione in cancer cells very efficiently. The glutathione in cancer cells is used to protect them from oxidative stress. Not many studies have pointed out the anti-cancer properties of coconut oil. But, coconut oil is known for its healing properties and benefits, and it's used by many people in the world for many years. Few medicinal studies have confirmed the fact that coconut oil is extremely efficient in eliminating bacteria, various diseases, parasites, fungi and harmful microorganisms. It's also extremely useful with promotes digestion, aids liver health, improves skin health, reduces inflammation and accelerates wound healing. Some medical experts say that coconut oil can be also extremely useful in treating diabetes. This is because the coconut oil has the ability to increase the levels of HDL, the good cholesterol in women, and regulates the HDL-LDL ratio, and it supports weight loss efforts in men and women. Today, the coconut oil is a part of few clinical trials focused on stabilization of cholesterol levels in patients suffering from chronic heart disease. The medical experts also work on preventing and fighting Alzheimer's disease and in stabilizing blood sugar levels and blood pressure. This oil is unique when it comes to the presence of lauric acid. This is because the lauric acid takes about half of the coconut's oil content. Actually, the lauric acid is a specific type of triglyceride that is very difficult to find in other foods. You should also know that the cow's fat consists of 2% lauric acid and about 6% of human milk is lauric acid. This proves the fact that human beings need more lauric acid than other living beings. All these scientific studies don't mean that coconut oil is the national cure for cancer, but it's a reminder for all the scientists in the world, who work in this field, that Mother Nature has provided many means and tools to fight disease. And we all should invest more in the medical researches and studies of these natural remedies. Eye-opening evidence: baking soda and coconut oil can kill cancer. This is a real-life story, about a woman who suffered from basal cell carcinoma skin cancer. The skin cancer was located on the crown on her head. She was completely cured after her daughter insisted that she try baking soda paste and apply it directly on the affected cancer area. Azizo, the daughter, was really convincing. Her mom was against this method in the beginning, but Azizo, a respected writer and supporter of natural medicine, searched for many articles about people who treated their skin cancer using this amazing combo, baking soda and coconut oil. Her mom already had 3 surgeries, and every time the skin cancer reappeared, and it was even worse than before. And, at last, her mom decided to trust her daughter and in her natural remedy against her skin disease. She started using baking soda and pure cold-pressed organic coconut oil. She used the coconut oil instead of water. Her daughter, Azizo, applied the thick baking soda coconut oil pasty mixture on the affected area. Azizo was aware of the fact that coconut oil has skin regenerative benefits. And she also knew that coconut oil is an effective add-on to the baking soda. When she applied the remedy on her mom's skin, she simply applied it, without rubbing it on the affected area. Azizo just used these prescription drugs, Polysporin 333 antibiotics, and she applied only at night time. She also says that you can use any other antibiotic ointment as a precaution against bacterial infections within the sore area. Another good option would be the colloidal silver-soaked cotton, she says. You should know that you need to stop using the ointment when the wound closes. She kept applying baking soda and coconut oil, accompanied with cotton soaked in vinegar and taped to the skin. Azizo says that this will induce the penetration of baking soda to the basal cell carcinoma roots beyond the skin's surface. Dimethyl sulfoxide DMSO is also extremely beneficial for that purpose as well. She used this homemade natural paste for 38 days, and her mom was completely cured from the skin cancer and her wound healed completely. You may know that this type of skin cancer is not deadly as melanoma. But, the bad thing is that it can continue spreading on the skin until it's cured completely. Azizo in her baking soda treatment was using regular household baking soda, nothing fancy or expensive. And, of course, the rumors about aluminum in baking soda are totally misunderstood. The baking powder has aluminum in it, unless it's labeled as aluminum-free. The regular household baking soda provides alkaline environment, and we discussed on this topic already, that tumors can survive only in acidic environments.